G'day cocktail lover, what can I get for you?
I want something that I've never had before. Do you have anything unique here?
Actually, I do. I've got a little concoction I made called Swedish Punch. Well, I didn't invent Swedish Punch. The basic drink has been around for like 250 years, but this is my version that I put together. Essentially, you get rum and Batavia Arak, which is another sort of rum, put it over some sliced lemon, let that flavour, then you add some tea, syrup, spices like cinnamon and whatnot, and you get this really incredible drink that you can use as a base for other drinks as well.
So, are you Swedish? Is this your family recipe?
Not so much a family recipe. The inspiration for this was a YouTube channel called Uncle Pete's Cocktail Shop.
Oh yeah? Is he your uncle?
He's kind of everyone's uncle. And besides showing you how to make Swedish Punch, he also shows you how to make things like syrups and shrubs and a whole range of cocktails.
So, like a bit of everything.
Yeah, he really does share a lot of things, and he puts together fun videos too. He even uses animation. He had one recently where all the cocktail ingredients were talking to each other.
You know, honestly, he sounds like kind of a weirdo. A bit of a madman. Anyway, what kind of a drink are you gonna make me with this Swedish Punch?
A lot of Swedish Punch drinks have rum in them as well, but I'm going to make something different for you. This is called Destiny Street, and it has brandy as the base spirit, also brings in some herbal elements. It's really interesting. I think you'll like it. First up, the brandy element is wide open. You can use the brandy of your choice here. I'm going to use this one from the 23rd Street Distillery. They call it their Prime 5. This is a blend of brandies aged at least 5 years. So it's going to have a very rich, complex flavor. Like I said, if you wanted to go ahead and make this at home, you could use the brandy that you like. Whichever brandy you go with, we go with 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of brandy. Next is the herbal element. The original recipe that I'm basing this off said to use yellow chartreuse. I thought I'd use another Australian product here. This is a good approximation of yellow chartreuse. It's called Ochre Gold. They call this their Outback liqueur. It's got a similar profile to the gentian liqueur that is yellow chartreuse, but it uses a lot of Australian botanicals, so it's a little bit its own thing as well. Going to add 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of the Ochre Gold. Now comes the Swedish Punch I made. It's in a nice pretty bottle that I happen to have lying around, but this is another 1/2 ounce going in now, so 15 mils of Swedish Punch in our shaker glass. The final touch is lemon juice for a little bit of balance. If you're making this yourself later, you want to use fresh lemon juice if you can get it, but bottled juice, may do when you need to, but whichever you go for, we want again 1/2 ounce, 15 mils this time of lemon juice. And that's our cocktail. We add ice to our shaker glass, put it together, bang it in hard, give that a good solid shake for 10 or 15 seconds.
Does this whole place always shake when you make a cocktail?
It's an occupational hazard. You have to shake really hard. We strain that into a nice cocktail glass, and there is your Destiny Street.
Sweet and tart, herbal, very complex. I love it.
If you like the Destiny Street, you should check out Uncle Pete's Cocktail Shop on YouTube. A lot of great ideas on there.
I feel like only a real weirdo would make drinks on YouTube. I mean, just talking to someone who isn't even there, it's psychotic.
I have a YouTube channel.
Sorry, I didn't mean to offend you.
That's okay. You can make it up to me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And hey, don't forget to say hello in the comments and give the video a thumbs up to let me know you enjoyed it.
So does making cocktails on YouTube mean you spend a lot of time drinking cocktails on your own?
What? No? Maybe? Yes? I don't know. Well, you're making it sound really bad.
Well, drinking alone is kind of sad.
But are you really alone if you're doing it on the internet?
Except that you really are.
Alright. Are you enjoying your cocktail or not?
That really is lovely. Thank you.